You just paid $180 for a car battery with a 5-year free replacement warranty. The guy behind the counter told you it was the best one on the shelf, and you drove home thinking your starting problems were solved for the next half-decade. Here's what the label doesn't tell you: that warranty is built on a testing standard the manufacturer runs themselves in a temperature-controlled lab under conditions your battery will never see again. The brands doing this are not obscure off-brands. They are the names on every shelf at every AutoZone, every Walmart, and every dealership in America. Exide Edge AGM. Exide has been manufacturing batteries since 1888. That heritage is real, and the brand spent most of its history as a serious industrial supplier. Batteries for telecommunications, aerospace, and automotive OEM applications, where failure is not an option. Exide Edge AGM is positioned as their premium consumer product, sold at AutoZone and Walmart, with marketing that emphasizes absorbed glass matte technology, deep cycle capability, and extended service life. The packaging implies laboratory-grade engineering aimed at the most demanding drivers. The Exide Edge AGM carries a 4-year free replacement warranty. That number is prominent on the packaging and confirmed by every sales associate who handles it. 4 years of free replacement implies a battery engineered to deliver reliable cold cranking amps through 4 full seasonal cycles, heat summers that accelerate plate corrosion, cold winters that stress cranking capacity, and everything in between. The problem is the testing standard behind that warranty. Battery warranties are derived from BCI, Battery Council International, group size specifications and internal factory testing protocols. Manufacturers define their own test conditions, their own temperature parameters, and their own pass/fail thresholds. There is no independent third-party verification of the warranty figure. A manufacturer can run their test at 72 degrees Fahrenheit in a climate-controlled lab and print a 4-year warranty number that has no direct relationship to real-world service life in Phoenix. Consumer data from automotive forums and repair, shop warranty return rates tells a different story from the 4-year figure. Exide Edge AGM batteries show a meaningful pattern of early failure in the 2 to 3 year range, particularly in extreme climate markets. Exide filed for bankruptcy twice in the past decade, in 2013 and again in 2020. A company operating through financial restructuring does not have its warranty infrastructure as its top priority. The 4-year number is on the box. The company's financial history raises serious questions about whether that warranty is collectible. How car battery warranties actually work. Car battery warranties have 2 parts, a free replacement window and a prorated period. Free replacement typically covers 1 to 3 years. After that, you get a partial credit. A battery failing at month 30 of a 60-month warranty earns roughly half the replacement cost back. You pay the rest. The warranty number itself comes from manufacturer-controlled lab testing, climate-controlled conditions that have nothing to do with short daily trips, Phoenix summers, or the parasitic drain from your modern electronics. And when the battery dies early, the exit clauses are already written. Improper charging, accessory load, installation error. The number sells it. The fine print kills the claim. Now back to the brands. Duralast Gold, AutoZone house brand. Duralast is AutoZone's private label battery brand, manufactured by East Penn Manufacturing and Johnson Controls under contract and sold exclusively through AutoZone locations nationwide. The Gold tier is positioned as their mid to premium offering, carrying a 3-year free replacement warranty with a 2-year prorated period after that. For the price point, that warranty number is used as the primary differentiator over the base Duralast line and as justification for the price premium over budget alternatives. The Duralast name is doing significant marketing work here. AutoZone is one of the largest auto parts retailers in the United States. The brand name they attach to a product carries implicit credibility, the assumption being that a retailer of that scale would not put their house brand on a product that embarrasses them. The Gold designation implies that the mid-tier product has been engineered beyond the baseline. The reality is that Duralast Gold is a private label product built to a retail price target. East Penn and Johnson Controls manufacture batteries across a wide range of specifications for multiple retail clients simultaneously. The Duralast Gold specification is set by what AutoZone's margin requirements allow at the retail price point, not by what the engineering team thinks is the optimal battery chemistry and plate thickness for maximum service life. Consumer reviews across automotive forums consistently show Duralast Gold failure rates that challenge the 3-year free replacement figure in hot climates. Battery warranty returns at AutoZone are handled in-store, which creates a redemption process that is more accessible than mail-in programs. But the replacement battery you receive is another Duralast Gold built to the same specification. The cycle repeats. The free replacement warranty is real. The engineering behind the 3-year figure is not independently verified. Motorcraft, Ford dealer brand. Motorcraft is Ford's official parts brand. the battery you get when you ask for an OEM replacement at any Ford dealership in the United States. The Motorcraft name carries significant weight with Ford owners. It implies factory specifications, Ford engineering approval, and a product built to the same standard as whatever came in your vehicle from the factory. For Ford loyalists, Motorcraft is not a brand choice. It is the correct choice by definition. Motorcraft batteries are manufactured by Johnson Controls, the same contract manufacturer producing batteries for a significant portion of the automotive aftermarket. The battery that goes into a Motorcraft box is produced on the same manufacturing lines, with the same base chemistry as batteries that end up in Everstart, Interstate, and other retail brands. The Motorcraft specification is set by Ford's procurement team, and while Ford does specify certain performance thresholds, the manufacturing infrastructure behind the product is shared across many competing brand names. The Motorcraft battery carries a 2-year free replacement warranty with a 2-year prorated period after that, a total 4-year warranty term. For a dealer-sold product at dealer pricing, that warranty term is unremarkable. The premium over retail battery pricing is substantial. Motorcraft batteries at the dealership typically cost 30 to 50% more than comparable batteries at AutoZone or Walmart. The pricing implies factory-exclusive engineering. The manufacturing reality is a shared production facility. Ford owners who buy Motorcraft batteries expecting something chemically different from what they could buy at a retail parts store are paying a premium for a brand name and a warranty backed by the dealership network, not for unique battery technology. DieHard Platinum, AGM, Advanced Auto Parts. DieHard is one of the most recognizable battery brand names in the United States. Originally a Sears house brand that became an automotive retail institution over 5 decades of consistent marketing, the brand was acquired by Advanced Auto Parts in 2019 and relaunched across their retail network. For automotive consumers of a certain age, the DieHard name carries genuine emotional weight. It implies durability, reliability, and a battery that earns its name. The DieHard Platinum AGM carries a 3-year free replacement warranty and is positioned as the premium tier of the relaunched lineup. The Platinum designation and the AGM technology claim imply engineering that justifies premium pricing. Advanced Auto Parts has invested heavily in the relaunch marketing. The DieHard name is prominently featured in national advertising and point-of-sale materials throughout their store network. The DieHard Platinum AGM is manufactured by Clarios, the battery manufacturing company that was spun out of Johnson Controls in 2019 and now supplies a large share of the North American automotive battery market. Clarios manufactures batteries for dozens of brands simultaneously. The DieHard Platinum specification is one of many product configurations running through the same manufacturing infrastructure. Consumer experience with the relaunched DieHard lineup has been mixed. The original DieHard reputation was built on products made under different ownership, different specifications, and a different manufacturing environment. The relaunched product carries that name but was built from scratch at Advanced Auto Parts specification and price target. The heritage is real. Whether the relaunched product earns that heritage is a question the 3-year warranty number alone cannot answer, and consumer failure reports in the first 3 years of the relaunch suggest the answer is complicated. The prorated warranty trap. Here is the mechanism that makes long battery warranties profitable for manufacturers while delivering far less than consumers expect when they actually try to use them. When a battery fails outside the free replacement window, say month 30 of a 60-month total warranty, the manufacturer calculates a prorated credit based on remaining warranty life. At month 30, you have used half the warranty term. The prorated credit covers approximately half the current retail price of a replacement battery. You pay the other half. At current pricing for a mid-range AGM battery, that prorated credit might be $40 to $60. The replacement battery costs $120 to $180. The consumer pays $80 to $120 out of pocket for a battery that failed before its warranted life. The math works in the manufacturer's favor at every failure point outside the free replacement window. The longer the total warranty term, the more impressive the number on the box, and the more failure points sit inside through the prorated zone where the consumer absorbs most of the replacement cost. Long warranty numbers drive purchase decisions. The prorated structure converts early failures into near full price replacement sales. Understanding this changes what a 5-year or 6-year warranty number actually means as a purchasing signal. Walmart Everstart Max. Everstart Max is Walmart's house brand battery, manufactured by Clarios, formerly Johnson Controls, and sold exclusively through Walmart's retail network. The Max tier is positioned as the premium Everstart offering, carrying a 3-year free replacement warranty. At Walmart pricing, Everstart Max sits at the low end of what any premium warranty claim can credibly support, typically $120 to $140 for a standard group size. The Everstart brand has been a Walmart staple for decades, and the Clarios manufacturing relationship gives the product genuine industrial credibility. Clarios is not a fly-by-night contract manufacturer. It is one of the largest battery producers in the world, supplying OEM batteries to major automotive manufacturers. The Everstart Max is built on a real manufacturing platform with real quality control. The issue is the gap between what $130 buys in battery engineering and what a 3-year free replacement warranty implies. Plate thickness, lead alloy composition, and separator quality are the primary drivers of battery longevity, and all three are direct functions of manufacturing cost. A battery built to a $130 retail price target has thinner plates and lower grade materials than a battery built to a $180 retail price target, regardless of who manufactures both. Consumer reviews on Walmart's own platform show consistent early failure reports for Everstart Max in hot climates, Texas, Arizona, Florida, where summer heat accelerates the plate degradation that shorter plate life makes inevitable. The 3-year free replacement warranty is honored at Walmart service centers, which makes redemption accessible. The replacement you receive is another Everstart Max built to the same specification. The clock restarts, the cycle continues. Optima red top/yellow top. Optima is the battery brand that automotive enthusiasts reach for when they want the best. The spiral wound AGM cell design is visually distinctive and genuinely different from flat plate flooded batteries. Optima's marketing is built on motorsport associations, performance vehicle applications, and the strong visual identity of the round cells visible through the case. In the enthusiast community, Optima is not a budget decision. It is a statement about what you value under your hood. Optima was acquired by Johnson Controls in 2000 and subsequently moved from their original Corydon, Indiana facility to a manufacturing plant in Mexico. Current Optima batteries are manufactured in Monterrey. Consumer forums and automotive publications documented a consistent pattern of quality concerns following the manufacturing transition, a pattern significant enough that Optima's own customer service acknowledged receiving increased warranty claims during the transition period. The red top carries a 3-year free replacement warranty. The yellow top carries a 3-year free replacement warranty. For a battery priced at $200 to $280, a 3-year warranty is unremarkable. Premium pricing with warranty terms equivalent to mid-tier products from half the price. The gap between Optima's premium positioning and standard warranty terms reflects a product line that has not fully recovered its pre-acquisition reputation for exceptional longevity. Enthusiasts who are buying Optima based on the brand's pre-2000 reputation are paying for a legacy that the current manufacturing configuration may not consistently deliver. The spiral wound design is still a genuine engineering differentiator. Whether the current manufacturing execution delivers the reliability that design implies is a question the warranty number does not answer. Interstate Batteries Megatron Plus. Interstate Batteries is the largest independent battery distributor in the United States, with a wholesale distribution network that supplies automotive dealers, fleet operators, and independent repair shops nationwide. The brand has built genuine credibility in the professional installer segment. Mechanics and fleet managers trust Interstate because the distribution network delivers reliably, and the warranty redemption process through the dealer network is functional. The Megatron Plus is Interstate's mainstream flooded battery, carrying a 2-year free replacement warranty with a prorated period extending to 6 years total. The 6-year total warranty figure is prominent in Interstate's marketing and in the warranty documentation that comes with the battery. For consumers reading that number at the point of sale, 6 years implies a battery engineered for exceptional service life. The 2-year free replacement window is the number that matters for most consumers, and 2 years is unremarkable for a battery at Interstate's pricing. The 6-year total term extends deep into prorated territory, where the consumer absorbs the majority of replacement cost at every failure point. A battery that fails at year 4 of a 6-year warranty earns a prorated credit covering roughly 1/3 of replacement cost. The consumer pays 2/3. Interstate batteries are manufactured by Clarios, the same manufacturer behind Everstart, DieHard, and a significant portion of the North American aftermarket. The Interstate premium over retail brands reflects the distribution network and the professional installer channel, not unique manufacturing chemistry. The 6-year warranty number is marketing. The 2-year free replacement window is the actual product commitment. Bosch S6 AGM. Bosch is a German engineering brand with one of the strongest reputations in the global automotive components market. Bosch fuel injectors, ignition systems, and alternators carry genuine engineering credibility, products used by European OEMs with demanding quality standards and long service life expectations. When Bosch puts their name on a car battery, the German Engineering Association implies the same standard of precision manufacturing that characterizes their other product lines. The Bosch S6 AGM carries a 4-year free replacement warranty and is priced at the premium end of the consumer AGM segment, typically $180 to $220 depending on group size. The Bosch name and the German Engineering Association together implied that the S6 is engineered to a standard that justifies both the premium price and the 4-year warranty claim. Bosch automotive batteries sold in the US market are not manufactured by Bosch. They are produced by Clarios under license, the same manufacturing infrastructure behind Everstart, DieHard, and Interstate. Interstate. The Bosch specification defines certain performance thresholds, and the Clarios manufacturing process is capable of meeting them. But the battery in the Bosch box is not the output of the German precision engineering facility that makes Bosch fuel systems and ignition components. It is a licensed product produced by a contract manufacturer. Consumers paying a premium for the Bosch S6 based on the assumption that German engineering translates directly to the manufacturing process behind the battery are paying for a brand association that does not accurately describe the product's origin. The 4-year warranty is competitive. The manufacturing reality behind it is shared with products at half the price. Odyssey PC680/PC925 Enersys. Odyssey is an Enersys brand and occupies a specific position in the automotive battery market. Genuine military-grade heritage, thin-plate pure lead AGM technology, and a reputation in the motorsport and off-road community that is substantially earned. Odyssey batteries power equipment that genuinely cannot afford to fail. The military procurement history is real. The thin-plate pure lead construction is a genuine engineering differentiator that delivers measurably superior performance in deep cycle and vibration applications as compared to standard AGM designs. The problem with Odyssey is not the engineering. It is the warranty and the pricing structure relative to what the warranty delivers. The Odyssey PC series carries a 2-year full replacement warranty with a 4-year limited warranty, 2 years, for a battery priced at $200 to $350 depending on size. A battery positioned as the premium choice for the most demanding applications, a 2-year free replacement window is strikingly short. Enersys' rationale for the short free replacement window reflects the application profile. Odyssey batteries are frequently used in extreme conditions, off-road vehicles, race cars, boats, where misuse, deep discharge, and charging irregularities are more common than in standard passenger car applications. The short warranty window protects Enersys from claims and applications where driver behavior contributes to early failure. But for a consumer buying an Odyssey for a standard daily driver because they want the best battery money can buy, the 2-year free replacement window means they are paying a 100 to 150% premium over an Everstart Max for a battery with a shorter free replacement warranty. The engineering justifies the premium for the right application. The warranty does not justify the premium for normal passenger car use. Delphi Technologies, BU9094R/MaxStart AGM. Delphi is the battery brand that most completely illustrates how a technically competent product can be marketed in a way that consistently creates inflated expectations, which is why it sits at the top of this list. Delphi Technologies has genuine automotive engineering credibility. The Delphi name has been associated with OEM automotive components for decades, supplying powertrain systems, sensors, and electrical components to major manufacturers worldwide. When Delphi attached their brand to a consumer battery line, the OEM association implied engineering to factory standards. A battery built with the same discipline and quality threshold that goes into components supplied to vehicle manufacturers. The Delphi MaxStart AGM carries a 4-year free replacement warranty. That number, combined with Delphi's OEM association and premium pricing of $180 to $230, creates a strong value proposition at the point of sale. 4 years of free replacement from an OEM associated brand at a premium but not stratospheric price point implies serious engineering behind the warranty commitment. Delphi consumer batteries are manufactured by Clarios. The same manufacturer, the same production infrastructure, the same base chemistry as Everstart, DieHard, and the other Clarios-based brands addressed throughout this video. The Delphi specification defines performance thresholds, and the manufacturing is competent. But the OEM engineering credibility that the Delphi name implies, the factory specification precision associated with components supplied to proto major vehicle manufacturers, does not describe the contract manufacturing reality behind this product. Consumer failure reports cluster in the 2 to 3 year range in hot climates, consistent with other Clarios manufactured AGM batteries at similar price points. The 4-year free replacement number drives the purchase decision. The manufacturing reality behind it is identical to products sold at lower prices under different brand names. The Delphi name is doing work that the engineering is not doing, and that gap, repeated across every brand on this list, is the entire story of how car battery marketing works in America today. Stop letting a warranty number make your purchase decision for you. Buy the spec sheet, not the sticker. Comment what you're running.